Hi, welcome to our channel. My name is Awni. If this is your first time tuning in, or maybe you're a returning viewer, I am a local broker out here in the state of Arizona, bringing you that real estate knowledge and insight. I've been doing real estate for quite some time now, and I like doing these videos. I like to share insight with you regarding the local housing market here in Arizona. A lot of unique things are going on, as I'm sure you guys are aware of, and we are about to go through some, tough times. I really believe this for many people out there, and today's video is really going to be about what is going to happen with inflation, interest rates, and housing, and what to expect. So I wanted to share my thoughts this video as to what you can expect for the rest of the year, 2023 forecast and 2024 forecast. So stick around. I'm going to get right to it in this video. Let's assume that the feds know what they're doing, right? Well, the central bank, they're slowing down the economy with a series of painful interest rate increases. If you are not aware, the interest rates are above 7% right now, and some of those down payment assistance programs are roughly 7.5%. So it's really taken a toll on a lot of purchasing power with a lot of home buyers at this time. The goal is to reduce the 8.3% year over year in consumer prices, bringing them down to the Fed's 2% target. They've already done 5 hikes. We can be sure to expect another rate increase in November, about 3/4 hike. Then in December, we're going to see another 0.5 point hike. And then in February, we're going to see about a 1/4 basis point hike. Federal Chairman Powell said interest rate increases still have a long way to go. Short-term rates are currently around 3%, and the Fed is targeting 4 to 4.5%. So these additional rate hikes will likely continue through early 2023. Here's the thing. Please understand that the housing market is the most interest rate sensitive thing in our economy. It's on the front lines of the efforts of the feds to try to bring down this inflation. Home prices are expected to fall, whether we succumb to a recession or not. I believe we are in a recession. I've been saying this. They can say what they want about that, saying that we're not, but we certainly are in a recession. I see it daily. I'm in real estate. I see everything that's going on. I'm sure you guys are smart out there. You could see what's going on in the news. We are seeing rise in energy prices, gas prices, home prices, interest rates. It's just a mess. Buyers simply can't afford these high prices and these high interest rates that we have seen over the last 15 years at its highest. There's definitely going to be a coast-to-coast downturn in the market. You are going to see the ripple effect, but you won't see these prices come down immediately. What we are seeing are price reductions. We are slowly seeing these price reductions daily. Sellers are not going to drop their prices if they don't need to. They're looking at prices from 6 months ago when these buyers can't even afford these prices right now. There's definitely going to be a disconnect for a while. So when is it going to get better? People are asking, well, when are things going to get better, right? I mean, it's such a valid question to ask. The cost of money for home purchases and refinances are just going to get more expensive until we ease inflation. While the 30-year current mortgage rates are over 7%, it's not going to ease anytime soon over the next 12 to 18 months. We have already seen the feds hike the rates 5 times already this year. We're going to see another one in November, December, February. That goes for your credit cards too, and gas prices and energy prices. None of that is going to slow down anytime soon. In fact, they're going to go up. They're going to skyrocket over this winter. I'm sure you guys are seeing, look at the gas prices that just went up again. And for next year, 2023, like I said, there is going to be another rate hike. They are specifying that it's going to be a 1/4 basis point increase. And then at that point, the feds will see how much tighter the money supply will be in the economy, and most importantly, the consumer prices. We are certainly going to see employment soften. We are going to definitely see more layoffs. We're going to see more corporate cutbacks in 2023. Here's something else I wrote down for our forecast for 2024. Analysts, economists, and fund managers believe that by 2024, inflation will decrease to the Fed's 2% target. Now, if this is the case, then we'll certainly see prices for groceries go down, consumer goods, the general cost of living. However, we're likely going to experience higher unemployment. Once the Feds reach their 2% inflation goal, then we're going to start to see the interest rates come back down to re-stimulate the economy. Now, if you are in the market to purchase a home right now, there is definitely a creative strategy that you can use. You'll want to speak to your current mortgage lender. If you need one, just send me a message or give me a call. But there is a strategy called the 2-1 buy down. And with this strategy, a 2-1 buy down is a type of financing offered to reduce your interest rates for the first 2 years of a mortgage. And if you opt for a 2-1 buy down, that means as a buyer, your interest rate is reduced by 2% the first year and 1% the following year. So definitely see if you can qualify for that. And that could certainly help you out for the next couple of years here. That way, they are saying that the interest rates are going to come back down over the next 2 years. We will see, but this is an opportunity for you to take advantage of that strategy and then refinance at that point in time. So you might say, what does all of this mean for your financial situation? Well, I can tell you this, we don't live our lives according to a macroeconomic plan. People get married, they get divorced, they have babies, they get new jobs, they buy houses, they relocate, all at the whim of unseen forces. And we can't let that control our lives. We have to continue to live our lives. So the feds are going to do their things and you're going to do yours. You should do yours. You should keep moving forward, stay optimistic. I know there's going to be some turmoil, but at the end of the tunnel, there is a light. Real estate is cyclical. It always goes up and down, but over the course of time, you have always seen real estate increase. And you can find this information if you are not aware of the historical charts. You can go on the US Census Bureau and check that out. But it's always went up through time. It's just that sometimes we have to go through these obstacles in life, and this could be one of them. Some suggestions for you, what you can do is don't make iffy situations such as taking on big debt or acquiring a lot of debt at this time. Remember that improving your financial situation is a life-term process. It's something that you should be working on throughout the course of your life. Small steps yield long-term results. Understand, guys, that a good idea today is still going to be a good idea tomorrow. Rush decisions are often made under false deadlines. I hope this video helps you today. I will be going through an Arizona market update in my next video here. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. If you like this channel, please subscribe to it, or you can give us a call at 480-788-4118 if you need any residential real estate help. Thanks. I'll see you on the next one.